Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to guide you through how to turn on or off sleeping tabs in your Microsoft Edge web browser. This nifty feature helps optimize CPU utilization and memory, ensuring a smoother browsing experience. So, let's dive right in. Before we get started, let's quickly understand what sleeping tabs are. Essentially, Microsoft Edge has introduced a feature where background tabs go to sleep after about 2 hours of inactivity. This helps free up resources for active tabs, improving your browser's performance. Once you return to a sleeping tab, it resumes as usual, with a possible refresh. It's a seamless process that ensures efficiency without compromising your browsing experience. To enable or disable this feature, start by opening the Edge menu. Click on the three-dot icon in the top right corner to access the Microsoft Edge browser menu. From there, go down and select Settings. On the left side, click on System and Performance. On the right side, you'll find the option Save Resources with Sleeping Tabs. Toggle it to the on position for activation, indicated by a blue oval. You can also enable the fading of sleeping tabs for a visual cue. Explore additional settings like adjusting the inactivity period. Click inside the drop-down to choose anything between 30 seconds and 12 hours before a tab goes to sleep. You can even exclude specific sites from the Sleep tab feature by adding their domain to the exclusion list. Simply type it in, click Add, and those tabs won't go into sleep mode, no matter how long they're inactive. There you have it, a straightforward process to manage sleeping tabs in your Microsoft Edge browser. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye for now.